Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account. Most people that do know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're just using one account to kind of show you that you can make money with this with minimal effort. All right, guys, if you promote this particular product. All right, guys, so if if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business in particular. And the main reason why I like promoting it is because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring commissions. That means you make 80% of every sale each month. Alright, guys? So, for example, you guys click on my link and buy the $25 business from my link right now, I will get $20 of that. Now, if you stay in the $25 business, next month I will get another $20 of it. So, you can build your income very quickly with this type of system. So right now we're going to look at our results and see what's going on. Make sure people refresh the page when they show you results, otherwise you can't believe them, guys. Remember that. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, it looks like we got... Okay, this just came in today sometime, because it's 5 o'clock in the morning and it's saying it came in today. So this just came in. I don't think these are sales. I'm pretty sure these are rebuilds. Usually you could tell by this right here. This number here, by the way. This number here doesn't go up. It's probably a rebuild. I don't know that for sure. I think it went up. I think it didn't go up. I'm not sure, to be honest. I have to check later. You'll know by the thumbnail. Thumbnail tell you. I'm pretty sure these are rebuilds though. But as you can see, money is clearly going up significantly, and I constantly been posting and posting, and it's growing like crazy, guys. This works, man. That's all I'm trying to say. This works. These are rebuilds. I didn't even get a sale yesterday or today. I'm still making money. That's crazy. All right, guys. That's what I'm trying to say, and that's why this is important to promote. And understand something. I'm promoting it like minimally. Like, I'm not doing much to promote this product. Alright, guys? So anyway, guys, let's move on here. Now, the first thing, if you're interested in following along, first thing you need to do is go into the descriptions of this video here, and you want to click on step 1, $25 business. You want to click on that. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page here. Once you get to this page here just shows you what $25 business is and all this good stuff. Talk about how much money you can make, instant $20 and $100 monthly commissions, blah blah blah. Right now, when you read all the stuff and decide, hey, I want to try this out, click on yes, I want in. There's a couple of buttons throughout the page here. Click on the green button anywhere. All right, guys. Once you click on that, it's gonna take you to a page with a video that's about a minute, maybe 2 minutes long, explaining what you're purchasing, so you don't feel confused or anything like that. And once you go through that, you're allowed to purchase it, and you're also allowed to try out the HBA Premium, which will give you training on how to promote these products very effectively, and it's constantly updated whichever way you want to promote it. It's a ton of ways: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever, right? And these things are constantly updated as the rules change on these platforms, because they change constantly. Like, promoting on TikTok last year is nothing compared to promoting on TikTok this year. It's completely different. You know what I mean? So yeah. So it's constantly updated, right? So anyway, you want to try that? You can try that for 2 weeks for free. All right, and then it's $125 a month. All right, guys. So once you sign in and all that stuff, it should take you to a page that looks something like this. All right, it'll look similar to this. It may not show like this down here, but you'll have these top 4 right here. And what you want to click on up here, you want to click on the affiliate zone, guys. You want to click on the affiliate zone. Okay, click on this affiliate zone here, and then you yeah, man, you click on the affiliate zone. And once you click on affiliate zone, you click on sign up for affiliate program here. Then you sign up real quick. It'll take but a second. Put your name and all that good stuff. Then you can log into your SAM card. And once you log into your SAM card, it should take you to this page here. Now you won't have money in this system, in this SAM card, guys. Understand that. You won't have the money, but you will be in the system. Alright? And you will be able to get your affiliate links. Now this is the affiliate link I use. The all-in-one $25 business sales list. That's the one I use. That's what takes you to this page here. Alright, guys? You understand that? Alright, so now what you want to do after you've done all that, got your affiliate link, what you want to do is click on the second step in my video. You scroll down, click on the second step in my video. Alright, and that should take you to this here page here, my lead gen secrets here. Now use my secrets. Now you click on that and you sign in. Alright, guys, it's gonna, and yeah, that's all it is. I'm gonna log in real quick. It's a very simple process of signing in. Now once you do that, do not purchase the master email swipes. It's a waste of money. Don't purchase them, because I'm gonna give you swipes, plus I'm gonna show you another way to get a bunch of swipes. Alright, so don't worry about swipes. Alright, so once you log in, right, you want to click on mailing system. Click on the mailing system here. Alright, so you click on the mailing system, you click your leads here. You probably only got 100 leads. Don't worry about that. You can still get sales. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about how big my number is. It don't matter. You can still get sales. As long as you get new people every month, you can still get sales. Focus on that. Alright, so then I just click down here, passive money business, biggest day yet, start a new profitable business. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put in a new video, new email here. Alright. We got, let's put 325 here. We're gonna use one of my emails I personally wrote. I'm gonna show it real quick and just post it in. Alright, we're gonna put this one here. So this was biggest day yet, right? And keep climbing. Oh, okay, this is the biggest day yet. I should go with let's build your monthly income. But I'm gonna go with the day 9 here, because I haven't picked this one yet. Copy. And we're gonna post it in right here. Paste. It's not always good, right? So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take this, delete it. We're gonna take this in particular. Okay. So I worded it to make sure it go for any system that you might be promoting. So even if you're not promoting this particular product, it should still work really well easily. Lock that in. Make that bold. Check the lead. And we're gonna put our affiliate link in real quick. Boom. As I'm showing you this, very easy way to get an email here. Just use my emails, and I'm gonna make sure you can copy it once I finish looking at it and kind of amplifying it a little bit. Whoa. Yeah. As long as you're in it, All right, so that's all there is to it, guys. You can copy this email. Hold on, let me let y'all be able to copy it here. Copy, paste, type it in. Pause, I meant to say. Pause and copy. Pause, copy. Pause, copy. All right, so that's all there is to it. And you got your email, guys. All right, very simple, very easy to do. Email, okay, that's good. Now, another thing you could do to get an email real quick, guys. I want to show you this real quick. Another way to get unlimited emails no matter what. So if you tried the HBA Premium, this is another feature that HBA Premium gives you, the content machine. Basically, you just type in what you want and it'll give it to you, like, right? Okay. Business. Hit something in like that, whatever you want to do, right? And you just hit create the email and it should create an email for you just that quickly. All right, guys, and that's like, and you can make as many emails as you want, remember that. So you just type in what you want and boom, it should just pop up after a little bit of while. It takes, sometimes it can take some time to post the email or whatever you want to get, and that is done, and now you got your email. Boom, just like that. And just type in what you want. See how simple that is? Easy to do. Quick, get a quick email and just go in. And you can do this, you can keep doing this. You can click on it again and get another email. But anyway, guys, make sure to hit perfect time and they'll send an email around time. People check the emails. These are unlimited, by the way. You can make unlimited emails here. Edit it, type it, you can change what you want it to look like or whatever. I just put short attention span, you know, to help, you know, make a quicker boom type of email, you know what I mean? Anyway, that's all there to it. Make sure to preview the link. Make sure the link works here, guys. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. All right, the link works. And that's all there to it, guys. Very simple, very easy. Understand it. It's not that hard, and you just do this. Once you got a lot of emails in the system, guys, and a lot of emails in the system, it only takes you about a minute to do this, guys, every morning. About a minute. The only reason it takes me so long because I'm showing you how to do it. I'm trying to explain as clearly as I possibly can, so it's very easy for you to understand. Alright, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. The links are in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.